The emptiness of all phenomena points to infinite possibilities, transcending the limitations of language and concepts. It's like a vast, undeveloped space filled with endless potential. The 84,000 paths to enlightenment is a metaphor, attempting to hint at this infinity with numbers, but in reality, the paths to enlightenment far exceed these and cannot be measured by numbers. Emptiness does not mean nothingness. It's a state beyond existence and non-existence, a pure potential. It transcends dualism, like a blank canvas ready for any painting, or an empty container ready to hold anything. Emptiness also represents the inclusiveness of infinite possibilities, embodying what is called compassion, a compassion that is neither real nor illusory. For compassion is a subjective human construct. It's like a cosmic womb, nurturing and embracing everything without distinction or prejudice. It is a pure, unconditional love, formless yet all-encompassing, just as Jesus Christ taught. The true God is neither a material entity nor a void illusion, but the ultimate reality beyond existence and non-existence. His existence cannot be defined or limited, just as the infinite potential of emptiness cannot be exhausted. The emptiness Buddha refers to suggests that worldly definitions of truth are as fleeting and illusory as impermanence. Attempting to define and conceptualize truth, clinging to one's understanding of truth, leads to delusions and false speech, causing conflicts and planting seeds of ignorance. Everything stems from the original causes of time, place, race, language, and definitions, which create distinctions through bodily, verbal, and mental actions. A mind as clear as flowing water or as pure as a white canvas, encompassing everything like the seemingly and moving silence of the universe. Due to humans defining various material things humans have created, the universe is defined by our creations, and we seek the definition that created us, a kind of interdependence in definitions. We use the definitions we create to understand and explain the universe, and in turn, the universe shapes our perceptions and definitions. It's like an evolving dance where the definer and the defined intertwine, jointly performing the song of existence. Our search for the definition that created us implies our awareness of the incompleteness and variability of our own definitions. We constantly challenge and update our understanding of ourselves, driving our continuous evolution and development. This interdependence also manifests in our relationships with other life forms. How we define other life and interact with them deeply influences our own ways of being. A mind beyond definitions is a mind that can dwell or not dwell. That is the wisdom of nirvana, which is merely a concept, neither real nor illusory, but a product of linguistic and textual karma. All talk of nirvana is merely a skillful means to guide beings to immediate liberation. Nirvana as a concept is indeed a trap, but as an experience, it is the antidote. When one ceases to ask what is nirvana and lets the mind flow like water, reflecting all things without clinging, it is walking in the cycle of birth and death, yet residing in the realm of nirvana. This is akin to the Christian teaching that the kingdom of heaven is within you. Liberation is not at the end of definitions, but in piercing through them at every moment. A mirror can reflect all images without attachment to any, even when broken. Each piece retains its full function. Humanity's dilemma lies in mistaking the reflections in the mirror for reality, forgetting the light of the mirror itself. Religion, philosophy, science all are reflections in the mirror, while emptiness is the mirror that allows all reflections to arise and cease. The enlightened do not choose among the reflections but become the mirror itself.